Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix League of Legends not opening. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select task manager. If League of Legends is running, then just right click on it and select end task. After that just close stuff here. Now right click on the League of Legends on the desktop and select open file location. Go back to right games. Double click on the League of Legends folder, game folder. Now right click on the League of Legends.exe and select properties. Select the compatibility tab and check mark disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. After that select change high DPI settings. Check mark override high DPI scaling behavior and select OK option. Select apply and OK. Now you can launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to go to League of Legends and delete the config folder and logs folder. Just select both of it and just right click on it and select deleted. After deleting these both folders, just to close stuff here, right click on the League of Legends and select run as administrator and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these method fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.